The Great Barrier Reef is classified as one of the 7 wonders of the world, so magnificent that it is able to be seen from outer space. Located on the eastern coast of Australia, it stretches 2,300 kilometers long and comprises of hundreds of islands and thousands of reefs. It is home to many animals and plants, as well as living and dead coral. Coral bleaching is just one example of an impact caused by weather on the Great Barrier Reef. Healthy coral are stressed by the conditions, in this case warm weather. Slow increases of weather due to our use of fossil fuels has resulted in pollution, which concludes to a higher temperature. Zooxanthellae are tiny, colorful marine algae which live inside coral tissue, providing them with much of their color and, most importantly, their primary supply of energy. When there is an increase in sea temperature or pollution, it causes the algae to expel out of the coral tissue. When the algae leaves, the coral has no source of food and reveals the white skeleton, which is known as coral bleaching. The process of bleaching makes the coral more prone to diseases, and if unfavorable conditions continue, the coral will eventually die, affecting the entire ecosystem. These graphs show the gradual rise in temperature over the years since the 1900s. The average sea surface temperature has risen 0.9 degrees Celsius since, and due to Australia's natural climate, coral will be heavily affected. Coral bleaching starts at around 30 degrees Celsius, and if this rise continues at this speed, then the coral won't have time to adapt and recover. Coral starts dying at just 1 to 2 degrees above its adapted temperature, which indicates that 0.9 degrees Celsius can be deadly. According to this graph, the temperature is estimated to rise 3.4 degrees Celsius by 2070. The rise in temperature also causes the water level to decrease in some areas, making the coral closer to the surface, which is warmer. No matter how strong and healthy the coral is, they are no match for the rising temperature. Although the rise of the Great Barrier Reef uniform temperature isn't expected, there will be hotspots throughout the reef where areas of the reef will be warm for a period of time. As of 2016, already 93% of the reef has been affected, while a heaping third is already dead just in the past 2 years following the 2 massive bleaching events in the summer of 2016 and 2017. It is also found that there is more extreme coral bleaching in areas higher in Australia. For example, in comparison to Rockhampton, located down south in Queensland, the coral had little to no damage. This shows an impact towards the reef, as the temperature difference shows how northern areas of Queensland were much warmer than the southern area. The presence of climate change has also caused more frequent occurrences of tropical cyclones, which are extremely damaging to coral reefs. In conclusion, with the use of graphs and weather observations as evidence, the temperature rise due to global warming has been extremely impactful to the coral bleaching in the Great Barrier Reef.